We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Some women love shoes, some women love bags. I love flowers. We just bought this California gold bougainvillea to put at the entrance of our villa, which is looking stunning. And then we bought another star jasmine to go together with the original one, which you can see just over here. And we were inspired by the ones in Noto, which you'll see later on. What have you been up to then?
Just playing with wood and screws. Screwing about.
I'll have to eliminate that, won't I? How's it going? Oh wow, it looks great.
It's going. I'm just straightening things up, lining them up.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Yeah, I need you to...
There's a bit of a hole there though.
Stop filming and give me the saw.
Okay.
So basically I took a break from what I was doing. Came down to have a look what Maria is up to. What are you actually up to?
Took away the plastic because it just wasn't working.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. What's going on?
The issue is we've got so many...
Yeah, we've got the grass coming through, right?
So much grass coming through and the soil is so hard.
Okay, because this is a very fertile soil, so the grass grows crazy, as you can see. Slowly we just take that out by hand as we go along.
Yes.
So once Maria's done, I'm going to have to come around and uproot the grass.
Yep.
Enjoy.
Thanks.
Il burro carbato on the small fruits, add fast fruit and sugar. Dobbiamo prendere il burro.
Prendilo. E lo devo mangiare?
Lo saccio, questo qua non me lo mangio. Ok, buttali.
Buon appetito ragazzi!
Napoli contro?
Cioè io devo mangiare sul mare.
Napoli in Milano. Sbriciolata con la Nutella, mamma sì.
L'abbiamo fatta io e Mattia.
Let's go. So we are going to the Noto Flower Festival, which we're really excited about. And we are going to meet an American couple who are meeting us for coffee just before. So we're going to take you with us.
Let's go.
Let's go.
See the flowers.
Incredible, eh? Old Sicilian wagons, carts. Look at the work on it. Incredible. So these are to pick the fighi d'India fruit. They're incredible. And I suppose this is to take the spikes off. Ma questi sono...
Che cos'è?
Questa che è la cartuccia per formaggio.
La cartuccia che la faccio
It's a cheese
E
grater.
lei non la usa, la mette a casa e porta bene. È il simbolo di veramente. È
Vero?
il simbolo di Noto.
La prima...
Bellissimo.
non lo sapevo questo.
No, queste sono cose particolari.
Ok.
Questo è spremino di limone artigiani.
Quelli mi ricordo da quando ero piccolo.
Quello che
Grazie.
rimane ci mette
Got a
tanto.
big one over here, cheese grater. That always takes my breath away, this beautiful entry to Noto. Absolutely stunning. Look at that.
So she's found her perfect bougainvillea. That's what she wants it to be like at the front door.
To show you the tourists that gather around this beautiful fountain every year. Stunning. Thank you, Robertino and Heidi, for reaching out to us and for giving us such lovely, lovely gifts. We had an amazing morning with them, and they are enjoying a couple of weeks here in Sicily and just traveling around the island, which is great. Anyway, we hope to see them maybe next year. It was lovely meeting you guys. Then Massimo and I made our way towards the Infiorata, the flower festival. This year's topic was La Cultura Pop, pop culture. Was absolutely fantastic. Every year I love it, and I've been coming for the last 3 years and I'm never disappointed. It's absolutely breathtaking. It's such a shame that it doesn't last for more than 3 days. I also find it incredibly fascinating that all these designs are just simply done with flower petals and bits of flowers. It's incredible.
Freddie Mercury, quando la musica diventa leggenda.
Oh yeah, veramente.
When the music becomes legend.
Yeah.
Way to go, Freddie.
Okay, we are now in a little secluded area, our little secret spot to use our drone, because there's a lot of cops, a lot of security around.
Just
and
out of the public.
Hey?
Just out of the public.
Yeah, we're out of the public. We don't want to annoy people with our drone. So we always come around this corner, and Massi's going to fly his drone up in a minute. Wow, beautiful. Absolutely loved this year's Infiorata. Of course, it was all pop icon and it was lovely. What I do suggest for anybody that is, that wants to come maybe next year, is do come on the Monday. There are less crowds, and the queue went really fast, and the flowers are still great. This year they didn't smell. When I went 2 years ago with my daughter, we came on the Monday and it was so hot that the flowers started smelling a bit. They were going off, of course. But yeah, so that's my advice to everybody, is to come on the Monday or even on the Saturday evening, but do not come on the Sunday, because it will be packed. We met a lovely rubbish around the back. We met a lovely couple from America who reached out to us, Robertino and Heidi. We got this lovely bag of goodies from these people that we've met, lovely people, Robertina and Heidi. Got 2 lovely t-shirts from New York. We're so grateful. Thank you so much. It was lovely meeting them. We had a long chat and a fantastic cappuccino. Sorry, my nose is so blocked. We've both been suffering from very, very bad hay fever in this period. But yeah, let's see if Massi is able to get some good drone footage. He was very comfortable sitting here on this little school chair.
My little chair.
Let's go. Well, hopefully one day our jasmine will grow like this. Isn't it?
A lot of jasmine.
Jasmine dream. So this is what I got: mortadella, stracciatella, and pistachio on a focaccia bread. Looks absolutely delicious. Yeah.
Massi had some cured beef with some parmesan and other things.
I mean, they're walking along, and I'm going, I know you. And we looked at each other and said, oh, we know each other.
Great stuff. And it doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's very beautiful.
Yeah. I love meeting fellow YouTubers here in Sicily. You guys are amazing. I've been following you
And you
for a
too.
long time.
And you too.
And guess what? We're going to do a collaboration. We're going to have them on Me and Sicily.
And that's all thumbs up. Yeah, absolutely.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
I believe Massi's actually asked a guy for a plaster because he cut his finger at work, and they can't find a plaster. What kind of ambulance is this? Oh dear. Oh, never get tired of this beautiful view. Look at that. Wow. That's clever. Umbrella in this heat. Oh my goodness.
Should taste them, they're lovely.
Put them in the sunlight.
Nothing like a bit of fresh peas.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Mmm.
Sugary.
Wonderful.
They're sweet, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, mangia. Mangia, mangia.
So we've just put out a little table and some chairs here, and it's absolutely beautiful. I must say, I love this area. It's totally become my favorite place. We come out here in the afternoon to have a cup of tea or first thing in the morning, and we are just loving this area. Once the vine grows, it's just going to be shaded. Even the cats love it. Anyway, these are the peas that Massi was talking about. It's only a little plant, and I've just planted some friaielli, which I think in English are just baby broccoli. Anyway, this is all parsley. I've planted them all along here, and I mean, this is the star jasmine that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. How beautiful is that? Which that's going to grow all around and over. It'll make like a little hedge between my sister and us. Yep, love this area. Buongiorno everybody. Massi's gone to order some more wood, As you can see, he has started to close the side. Of course, we've got to close the top and then make a door on this side because we need access to the drain, which is right over here. And also we want to put the pool pump and all the horrible, you know, the chlorine and everything else hidden away. So Massi's gone to order the wood. It's a very windy day today. It's beautiful, actually. I have to go back to do my ID card because I went yesterday. I had made an appointment online. The beauty of living in Italy and Sicily, you make an appointment, it's all confirmed, and then on that morning at 8 a.m. I got an email telling me that my appointment had been cancelled, and I hadn't read the email. So I was there, I walked in and I was like, what's going on? And they were like, I'm really sorry, you need to come back tomorrow. We don't have a lot of staff. So I'm going back this morning, which is a pity because we had plans to meet some friends, Robertino and Heidi, in Ortigia, but ID card is important, so I'm going to go there today. Wood is arriving, yay!
Back home after an hour and a half stuck in that office because the whole of Italy has to have an electronic ID card by the 30th of August. So a whole lot of people are trying to get it over and done with now because when the weather starts to get really hot, it's just going to be a bother going there, lining up and all of that. Anyway, I got it all sorted after an hour and a half. I have to go pick it up in 1 week time. So back home, I just made a quick pasta with tenerumi, which are actually the zucchini leaves, babe. Tenerumi.
You know the long zucchini?
Oh yeah, that's right.
It's the start of it.
It's the long zucchini and it's their leaves. So it's tenerumi, tender parts. And there was a guy selling these just outside the comune, so I bought a bunch of them, came home, made a broth and added some spaghetti for Massi. I'm not eating pasta today. And yeah, now Massi is carrying on with the decking. Right, let's go and have a look at what Massi's been up to. Oh, it's looking good, Maestro Geppetto. Excellent. Wow, this is super interesting here. Look at that. Okay. So this is going to be the first step, is that right there?
Yeah.
This first step, and then we're going to carry on flush with the pool. The pool is going to go further in, and there'll be another piece of wood covering the pool. So this is our mission, to get this stairs hopefully ready by sort of next week. Is that right, Mas?
Probably by the weekend.
By the weekend, if everything goes to plan. I just got back from work. Massi has been working so hard on this decking all morning, and I came back at 1 and we literally said hi and bye, and he went off to work, and he's going to be working all afternoon, all evening, and yeah, he's going to be tired by tonight. Anyway, he's done a brilliant job. I will show you in a moment. I'll do some close-ups. I'll show you what he's done and what he still obviously needs to do, because we will not be finishing this week, of course. But I am going to be doing something interesting. I'm going to be trying out some colors, mainly 2, to see which will go on the decking. We're a bit torn between 2 colors. Well, Massi wants the really dark wood color on the decking, and I'm a little bit strange about that. I want the more of a whitewash color. I just think that it'll look really nice whitewash together with the stone. I think if you put the really dark, it'll contrast quite a bit, but then at the same time the contrast may look pretty nice. So anyway, I want your advice on this. Like, you helped me out with the color on the house, I will need some advice on this, but let me show you what he's done so far. So there you go. This is the decking so far. As I said, it's not complete. I will show you the other side in a moment, but wow, I absolutely love it. I think it's going to be really nice. And once we completely finish all around the pool, it'll look even nicer. But this is a great place to just sit here. I mean, I'm just thinking of throwing some cushions here and tanning right over here. This is like the best place, because originally I thought, okay, this could be our tanning area over here. But actually, it's great just to be right by the pool there. Okay, let me show you down. And here you go. This is the side view. This side is going to be completely closed, and the other side will be, there'll be a door to get in to the pump house. This is all going to be closed here, so you won't see the entry through here. He still needs to finish the step over there. He'll do that tomorrow morning. He's got half a day tomorrow, so he can complete the step tomorrow. But yeah, I like it. I think it's quite nice. Okay, so this, I'm trying out Massi's color. This is the really dark one. I don't want it like really thickly layered, if you know what I mean. I just want to like just see there's more veins. So let's try that. I'm going to do exactly half, and then we'll have a look at them and we'll decide which one looks best. I mean, it's a beautiful stain. It really is. I love it because it just comes up, the natural vein of the wood shows up. It's beautiful. But I think this is going to be high maintenance every year, especially under the Sicilian sun. Everything just bleaches. And I know, because we've got the roof here, the pergola, and every year that needs painting. Okay, so that's that one. Let's have a look at the other one now. Let's mix this one a little bit. This is just white. I might not get a pure white color. I might get like an off-white, or like a dirty white, you know, not complete white, because I think that doesn't go very well with the stone. But just to get an idea. I think it's too white color wise. I definitely need to get another color. I mean, this is just a bit of white pot that I had. Anyway, there you go. These are the colors. I'm going to put them on the decking, and I'm going to see what they look like. Okay, I actually found a third color because I didn't like this white, this brilliant white that's in the middle. I found like a creamy color, and that's the dark color. So don't know if you can try and envision this. Which one do you think would go the best? I'm totally excluding the one in the middle. I do not like it. Maybe I might even get a more of a creamier color than that. But yeah, let me know.
Welcome all our new membership on YouTube, and thank you. Thank you to all our old Patreon supporters. It makes such a difference to have so many lovely supporters. Thank you so much. And thank you to all of you for subscribing, liking and commenting. We hope you've enjoyed this week's video, and we'll see you next time with a brand new one. Ciao, alla prossima!